everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great in your life. Today, let me ask you something. Do you understand English? But when it's your turn to speak, then your mind goes blank or you feel cold feet. If yes, so don't worry, you are not alone. Guys, actually, I have already faced this problem. I was also in dilemma what to do, what to not. If I will open my mouth, I must make mistake and what people will think, right? If you are thinking the same, so don't think too much and start speaking right now. You know, when I was in that situation, then I also used to think like that, but slowly I have learned how to break the ice, and then I start speaking. I haven't bothered too much. So in this video I'm going to share some tips that helped me to build my confidence, right? So first thing that you have to do first, stop comparing yourself to other, because when we compare we lose our confidence. And remember it, everyone learns at their own pace, right? And don't feel under the weather, means don't feel low or demotivated just because someone speaks better than you. No, because you don't forget, every expert wants a beginner, right? So just start speaking and it will help you to grow quickly. And the second thing that I want to say, start recording yourself. you know Speak 1 or 2 minutes every day in front of camera and listen your voice, listen yourself. I know at first you may feel uncomfortable, but don't worry, because practice makes a man perfect, isn't it? So, and what will happen once you start recording your voice, and then you will listen yourself, and it will help you to notice your mistake, where you are lacking, what is your weak point, what is your gray area where you need to work, right? It could be possible only when you will start recording. So there are a lot of things when you confront the camera, then you will improve by yourself only. No one will come to make you understand and make you improve. Only you can improve yourself. So it I will recommend highly, like, just start recording yourself, and it will boost your confidence, and your confidence grow naturally, right? And also it will help to work on your mistake. And third thing that I want to say, that is, use simple words, what actually you already know, right? You don't need difficult vocabulary to sound like a perfect or advanced speaker. Just make it simple and keep the ball rolling. It means start speaking without overthinking, right? For example, don't like don't use complicated words. Instead of that, speak simple or easy sentence clearly, right? It will help you to grow you. It will help you grow. and it can enhance your fluency. When you will use simple sentences, so you never bother I have to use difficult or advanced word. No, you just go with flow. That in this way you will grow quickly, right? And the next thing that I want to say, learn simple use sentences and ready-made sentences, right? When you it will help you to it will help you in everyday like real life. It will help you in real life conversation. And when you will use these sentences regularly, you know you will get to know, and you will start understanding, and you will start doing, and you will start applying in your conversation. That help you to become fluent, because once you start using simple sentences, daily use sentences in your daily life conversation, and it will come on your tongue, and then you may sound like native speaker, because we always speak our mother tongue at home and our workplace. So that's why when we speak in our native language, we never think about that what we have to use advanced vocabularies, advanced sentence structure, never, right? So in the same way, once you start speaking, then the things start coming naturally. You never bother to learn advanced vocabulary and all. It will come step by step, right? I'm not saying we shouldn't use advanced vocabulary and advanced sentence structure. We should, but not at your beginning time. Take it step by step. Grow. Just claim one ladder, then second, then third, like that. Go on, right? And the last but not the least, I would like to say, don't afraid what people will think, and don't afraid the judgment of people. People may judge you. It's okay, because whatever you are going to do, people always say something, right? So instead of bothering what people will think, what people will say, so focus on your journey, or your improvement. Just take a step, and then follow that step and go ahead. And one thing I would like to mention here, consistency. Consistency is a key to success, right? It's very sacrosanct. So don't be lazy, don't be lethargic, and maintain your consistency. Then only you will grow, you will reach on pinnacle, right? And you will achieve your target. So without getting late, without bothering too much, let's get start and be positive, stay consistent, and keep on going. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, so do subscribe my channel and keep watching, keep supporting, and keep growing. Bye for now.